Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kiran Talks. Imagine that your child is giving inspirational speech at TEDx Talks with children like Sparsh Shah, Ishita Kachal, and Simon Link. Imagine that your child is loved by all the teachers because of the child's communication skills. Imagine that your child is in a position of giving lectures to other people even before she enters into the college. This is the skill loved by the parents by seeing their child. But unfortunately, today parents like their children to get first ranks in their class. This is irrespective of their interest in the subject. On the other hand, children, even after entering into the professional courses, they are not able to communicate effectively. With this reason, they are not able to get a job in the campus placements even after the end of the course. I, as a project manager, have seen several people that they are good in their programming skills, but they are not good in their communication skills, and hence they are losing their jobs. The main reason for this is people are not practicing their public speaking skills at the childhood itself. I myself see this as no exception. Public speaking skills helps children to improve their communication skills, to improve their organization of thoughts, increase in the pursuitiveness, and finally increase in their self-esteem. Children should also show interest in learning the public speaking skills. They should work hard to learn the public speaking skills, and they should have commitment in attaining that. Our beloved late President Dr. Abdul Kalam has several times in his speeches told that there should be 4 qualities in children to achieve their goals. 1. They should be able to think big. 2. They should work hard to achieve their goals. 3. They should have continuous learning and assessment. 4. They should have perseverance. If a child does have the 4 things, not only the child can achieve the public speaking skills, but also the child can achieve whatever the things that he thinks in his life. Parents should also motivate the children for public speaking skills. They should make the children to see the TEDx speaks, and they should make the children to get motivation from that. I do remember in my childhood, when I was in 9th standard, there was a girl by name Swati. She was liked by all the teachers in the school because of her communication skills. Even she was called onto the stage for inviting the guests and vote of thanks in public speeches. Even the principal used to speak with her with smiling face, where the other people tremble even to speak with him. I really got motivated by seeing that girl. But I do have my own reasons of board examination for practicing public speaking skill. Not only at that time, but each and every time when I think of public speaking skill, I do have my own reasons, and I use it to postpone that thing. It happened throughout my career. Finally, at this point in time, I'm able to concentrate on public speaking skills. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the importance of public speaking skill. Children should concentrate on public speaking skill at the childhood itself. Otherwise, there will be no chance for them to practice it at the later stage of their life. And in some cases, they may not get a chance even throughout their career also. I think that it should not happen for my child. Ladies and gentlemen, so public speaking skills helps children in acquiring knowledge for good communication skills and improving their organization of thoughts, increasing persuasion, and finally increasing the self-esteem. This is Kiran signing off until we meet in next video.